Welcome back to AfricaCom TV, where we are accelerating the conversations around enterprise digital transformation on the African continent. And joining me now here at AfricaCom TV is Herman Hendriks. Herman is the digital value chain lead at Exharo Resources. You're here participating in the Internet of Things stream. Tell us perhaps what some of the key takeaways for you have been.
Yeah, so maybe if I can link onto our panel discussion of yesterday. So we had a very interesting panel discussion with people from the industry, people from government, and as well as some of the service providers. So some of the key takeaways that we had during that discussion was that we need to focus on a lot more on collaboration. So both collaboration between the mining houses and organized labor, as well as collaboration between the mining houses and the suppliers, to see how we can reinvent all these partnerships that we have, and maybe come up with a bit different models on how we implement all these IoT things that we are starting to implement in mining.
And what are some of those hurdles, if you like, that we need to overcome on the African continent particularly in realizing the maximum value of Internet of Things?
Yeah. I think we're at the stage where technology exists, and it's good enough to implement. Our biggest struggles at this stage is change management. So how do you take the people along with you on the journey that you are following? Getting people ready for the technology. That's one of the biggest hurdles that we are currently facing.
Do you have any sense of what impact IoT is going to have, one on Exharo, but more broadly, I suppose, in the mining industry?
Yes. So Exharo is a coal mining company. Coal has a limited lifespan, and we all know that the whole world is sort of venturing away from coal. How we as Exharo see it is that we want to be the last one standing when it comes to coal, and to do that you need to be the cheapest. So we are implementing IoT solutions to become cheaper, so increasing throughput, decreasing costs, so that we move lower on the cost curve and staying in the market for longer. That's one of the big drivers for us. And then obviously the other driver in terms of implementing IoT solutions is safety of our people. These IoT solutions play a massive role in protecting lives, and then obviously keeping that person available to provide for his family.
And what excites you about the innovation in this space?
What I like is that you implement a lot of solutions. You do not know what you're going to get out of it. Some might work, some might not work, but it's a trial and error approach, and it's great to see a solution that you really think it wouldn't really work or might not really solve a problem boom into something that's great. That's what's really exciting me about it.
Sounds very exciting indeed. Herman Hendriks is from Exharo Resources, joining us here at AfricaCom TV.